Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in FormStack form using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the UTM parameters and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Then, add your website to SourceLoop and copy the tracking code. You can add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using WordPress, it is quite simple. You just need to install a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section, paste the code in header section and click on Save Changes. If you are using any other platform, simply add this tracking code in your site's global header setting. Next, open your form in FormStack. Here, we need to add a hidden field that SourceLoop can use to pass the unique ID of the visitor who is filling the form. So we'll drag a short answer field in the form and let's name it SL_AID. You need to ensure that you are using this exact name in lowercase without any space, and then check this hidden option. Next, we need to integrate FormStack submission with SourceLoop incoming webhook. So let's go back to SourceLoop, navigate to setup, and then go to incoming webhook section. Here, copy the SourceLoop web form webhook and then inside FormStack, go to integration, email and action, and then in the advanced setting, you'll see add a webhook option. Click on it and add the SourceLoop webhook URL. Click on create webhook. Next, we need to add this form on one of your page where SourceLoop tracking code is running. So we'll go to share and then simply copy this JavaScript embed code. I have already added this web form on one of our WordPress page on a test website where SourceLoop tracking code is installed. So now it's time to test this out. We will visit our website using some UTM parameter related to Google Ad. I hit enter and then we will navigate to the FormStack page. Here, I'll add my name and email and click on submit form. Now the form is submitted. Let's go back to SourceLoop and then navigate to the contact section. And here we can see SourceLoop has captured the form submission. If we scroll to the right, we can see it has also captured the channel, source, medium, campaign and other UTM attribution data. Let's click on the preview and it will show us the entire journey of that lead. Like how they discovered our website first, what was the UTM parameter for that website visit, which pages they viewed, and eventually how they converted into a lead. One of the best things about SourceLoop is it can capture the marketing attribution even for visits where user is not using any UTM parameter in link. For instance, if someone is reading one of your social media posts and click on your website link to visit your website and then convert a lead, SourceLoop can still identify that user and attribute it to organic social media channel. You can also visit the attribution dashboard to see which campaign, channel and traffic source are generating you the most lead. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.